by Peter Gracey. The greatness in me is yet to come, as long as I have the strength to breathe. To know myself and to know my worth is to know my God indeed. There's no such thing as I can't. There's no such thing as fear. Only false evidence, appearing real, and the ones who do not care. I will lean not to my own understanding, and find what my purpose serves, and trust in God and while I experience my time on earth. I am balanced and I am focused. I was born to first follow, then lead. I will only love and never judge, as long as I have the strength to breathe.